A 1.5 kilogram puck is gliding on ice at 2.4 meters per second right. It hits and attaches to another puck of 1 kilogram moving left at 2.0 meters per second. Calculate the velocity of the pair of pucks after the collision. So there's two pucks originally, one going in this direction and the other going in this direction. At the end, these two pucks, they I guess attach to each other. They attach to each other and they go in like a certain direction together. They have the same velocity. So we know that in the system, the momentum before is equal to, the momentum before, the total momentum in the system before is equal to the total momentum in the system after. So M1, I'm going to denote the mass of this puck as M1. So M1 is equal to 1.5 kilograms. 5 kilograms. And it's moving at a velocity of 2.4 meters per second, right? Right. This puck over here is M2 and its mass is 1.0 kilograms and it's moving 2.0 meters left per second left. Or I could also say it's moving negative 2.0 meters per second right. That is also correct. I'm using the same direction so I can actually add and subtract these two velocities. So we're trying to find the final velocity of its collision. We're going to call it V prime. These two pucks will have the same velocity since they're attached together. So M1 times V1 plus M2 times V2 is the total momentum in the system before. And after, it's the V prime times M1 plus M2. Because this becomes kind of like one mass going in a certain velocity. So this is the total momentum of the system after. Now we want to isolate for V prime. So V prime is equal to M1 times V1 plus M2 times V2 over M1 plus M2. We plug in our numbers. So M1 is equal to 1.5 kilograms. V1 is 2.4 meters per second, right? Then M2 is 1 kilogram times negative 2.0 meters per second, right? Over M1, which is 1.5 kilograms, plus M2, which is 1.0 kilograms. So I get 0.64 meters per second, right? This should be the final answer.